friends, I have a pant in my hand. As you can see, the hook from here is broken. This pant was placed in a washing machine. While rotating, this hook got entangled with other cloths and probably with the edges of the machine inside the tub, the moving tub. Uh, Fortunately, this hook is intact from here, but in other cases I was not so unfortunate where both the hooks were broken at the same time. I invented a very easy way to get out of this problem, which I'm going to share with you all. Just wait for a minute because I'm going to show you with another pant which has both hooks. So welcome back. As you see, I have a new pant in my hand. I have a new pant in my hand where both the hooks are intact. What you have to do is, this is the supporting hook and this is the ending hook. So what you have to do is simply you put this end hook to this supporting hook like this, just here. Okay, can you see? This hook should be placed within this hook like this. Okay, and fold it from here, slightly fold, don't press it too much. If you press it from here too much, there will be a crease which will not look good. So keep it intact from here, just fold it simply here, then take a rubber band like this, and you can see here an extra place is formed where you should entangle this rubber band here like this. Oh yeah, this is the simple solution. Have you seen it in the YouTube before? Nowhere you will find this. But it looks simple, but this is very useful. Who use especially semi-automatic washing machines in their homes. Sometimes a simple solution, a simple solution makes a big difference, isn't that, friend? And our channel gives you such tips which are very useful, not very complicated, just simple tips, but very useful tips. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button after that to stay connected with us. Thank you. Oh, I just just put it this in the washing machine tub and feel free